A crucial component that often gets overlooked in your customers' vehicles is the car battery. Over time, battery terminals can accumulate corrosion, dirt, and other debris, which can hinder the flow of electricity and potentially cause starting issues or even complete battery failure. That's why it is important to clean battery terminals regularly. Working with car batteries can be hazardous if proper safety measures are not taken. Always wear gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes from potential sparks or splashes. Ensure that there are no open flames or sources of ignition near the battery, as it can produce explosive gases. Before starting the cleaning process, disconnect the negative cable first. Use a wrench to loosen the nut or bolt securing the cable to the terminal. This will prevent any accidental short circuits or sparks. Once the negative cable is disconnected, move on to the positive cable. Position the disconnected cables in a safe location away from the battery to prevent any accidental contact or sparks. In a small bowl or container, combine baking soda and water to create a paste-like consistency. The baking soda will act as a mild abrasive and help neutralize any acid residue. Using a rag or paper towel, apply the baking soda solution to the battery terminals and cable ends. Gently scrub the areas to remove any corrosion, dirt, or buildup. Once you've scrubbed the terminals and cable ends, rinse them thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining residue. If you encounter stubborn corrosion or buildup on the terminals or cable ends, you may need to use a wire brush or battery terminal cleaner tool. After thoroughly cleaning the terminals and cable ends, it is essential to apply a battery protectant to help prevent future corrosion and buildup. Choose a high-quality battery protectant. Use a battery protectant spray or gel specifically designed for automotive use. These products typically contain corrosion inhibitors and lubricants to protect the terminals and cable ends. Apply a thin layer of the battery protectant to the terminals and cable ends, ensuring even coverage. With the terminals and cable ends cleaned and protected, it's time to reattach the cables. Reconnect the positive cable first. Carefully reattach the positive cable to the positive terminal, ensuring a secure and tight connection. Next, reconnect the negative cable to the negative terminal, following the same process as with the positive cable. Double check the connections. Gently tug on each cable to ensure they are securely attached to the terminals. Cleaning car battery terminals is a simple yet crucial task that should be part of regular vehicle maintenance routines. By following this step-by-step guide, you can ensure that your customers' batteries operate at peak efficiency, extending their lifespan and preventing costly replacements or starting issues. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.